to next concept, that is nth root of a complex number. Nth root of a complex number. What is the nth root of a complex number? Let small n be a positive integer. Let small n be a positive integer, and z0 does not is equal to 0. Let small n be a positive integer and z0 does not equal to 0 be a given complex number. Be a given complex number. Observe, let small n be a positive integer and z0 does not equal to 0 be a given complex number. Any complex number z satisfying z power n is equal to z0. Here the given condition here. Let small n be a positive integer and z0 does not equal to 0 be a given complex number. Any complex number z satisfying z power n is equal to z0 is called what is called an nth root of z0 is called an nth root of z0, and it is denoted by nth root of z0, or also will written as z0 whole power n will write. Once again we will observe in this one. Let small n be a positive integer and z0 does not equal to 0 be a complex number. Any complex number z satisfying z power n equal to z0 is called an nth root of z0, and it is denoted by nth root of z0 or z0 whole power 1 by n. Z0 whole power 1 by n. Okay, we will note them. Let z will take cos theta plus I sin theta. Z0 will take cos theta 0 plus I sin theta 0 will take I sin theta 0. By the given problem where z0 is not is equal to 0 will take, that means z0 equal to cos theta naught plus I sin theta naught. Given one is not equal to 0 and small n is a positive integer. Small n is a positive integer. Then what we have to write in this one? Z0 whole power 1 by n is equal to Z0 whole power 1 by n equal to R0 whole power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta naught by n. CAS of 2k pi plus theta naught by n, where given k is 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here will take n. Here last term is n minus 1 will take. This is the given nth root of z0. This is the given formula. Z0 whole power 1 by n is nothing but R0 whole power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta naught by n, where k is 0, 1, 2 and so on. N minus 1 will write. Again, now I am going to next one. That is, we will note them second one. If 1 comma omega square are cube roots of unity, then it has two conditions there. That is, the first one is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Second condition is omega cube is equal to 1. Okay. If 1 comma omega square are cube roots of unity, then 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Second one is omega cube is equal to 1. After we'll write, this is first one. The cube roots of A, positive integer small a. The cube roots of a positive integer small a are, cube roots means here the cube roots are 1 omega and omega square. Cube roots of a positive integer a means a power 1 by 3 into 1 comma, after we will take a power 1 by 3 into omega comma, after we will take a power 1 by 3 into omega square will write, that is a power 1 by 3 comma a power 1 by 3 into omega comma a power 1 by 3 into omega square will write. This is the given cube roots of a positive integer small a. These are the main basics in second part of a De Moivre's theorem. These are the main basics. Okay, after now I am going to their problem. After now I am going to their problem. First now I am going to example 1. Find all the values of root 3 plus I whole power 1 by 4. నాన్న మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇంతకు ముందు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో ఉండే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే అంటే రూట్ 3 ప్లస్ ఐ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ హోల్ క్యూబ్ హోల్ పవర్ 4 ఈ టైప్ లో ఉండింటాయి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్పుకుంటే ఈ టాపిక్ దేని మీద ఉందంటే nth రూట్స్ మీద ఉంది కాబట్టి, ఓకే, గివెన్ వన్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మ్ 1 by n, that is the small difference between previous problems and these problems. Given complex number, let us take, let z is nothing but root 3 plus I. Here we will write in this one, z is equal to root 3 plus I into 1 will write. Then we have to find out mod z is nothing but root of root 3 square plus 1 square will write. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2 will write. This is the value of mod z. The numerator and denominator can multiplying and dividing by 2. That I will write 2 by 2 into root 3 plus I into 1 will write. That means 2 into root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2 will write. In cos, root 3 by 2 will become 30 degrees. That I will write 2 into cos 5 by 3. 5 by 6, so I am sorry, 5 by 6 plus I sin 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is nothing but 30. Sin 30 will be 1 by root 2. Given one, already we know that one formula cos theta. So I am sorry, cos theta plus I sin theta will written as CAS of theta will write. That is nothing but 2 into CAS of 5 by 6 will write. This is the value of root 3 plus I. But in this problem, we have to find out root 3 plus I whole power 1 by 4 will find. How to write in this one? 2 power 4 into remaining we have to write CAS of 5 by 6 whole power 1 by 4 will write. We know that one formula CAS of theta whole power 1 by n. That is what is the given formula means. This is the given Z. First we will take, this is Z means we have to write root 3 plus I whole power 1 by 4 is nothing but root 2 into CAS of 5 by 6 whole power 1 by 4 will write. Given one, it is of the form Z power 1 by n will written as R power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k is nothing but 0, 1, 2 and so on. N minus 1 will write. We have to expand in this one. This is R. We will write this one root 2 whole power 1 by n into remaining we have to write CAS of 2k pi plus, where theta is nothing but pi by 6 by whole power 1 by n. Here we'll write, given n is nothing but 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, n minus 1, where n is 4 means 4 minus 1 is 3 will write, k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 will write. How to expand in this one? That I will write. Root 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2 will write. 2 power 1 by 2 will write. Given one. Here is nothing but root 2. Given one only root 2. So I am sorry. Here we'll write 2 power 1 by 4 into remaining we have to write CAS of 6 into 2 is 12 k pi plus 5 by 6 4 24 will write. Remaining will take k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 will write. Again we have to write in this one 2 power 1 by 4 into CAS of, I will common with pi, 2k plus 1 into pi by their denominator 24 will take, their k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 will apply. First k is equal to 0, 0 into any value is 0, that I will write 2 power 1 by 4 into CAS of 5 by 24 will write. After now I am going to k is equal to 1, 2 power 1 by 4 into CAS of 12 into 1 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 pi by 24 will take. After now I am going to next one, that is 2 power 1 by 4 into CAS of 12 to 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 pi by 24 will take. After now I am going to next one, that is 2 power 1 by 4 into will take, k is equal to 3. 12 3 is 36, 36 plus 1 is 37. CAS of 37 pi by 24 will write. These are the all the values of given one. Here we'll take some more values also take here z power 1 by n where n is equal to 4. What about the value of r here? R is equal to 2. After we'll take theta is equal to 5 by 6. These are the given parameters. After now I am going to next one, that is example 2. Find all the roots of equation. Find all the roots of equation. Find all the roots of equation. X power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. What ask in this one? Find all the roots of x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. We'll observe. I will take the given equation, that is x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Here I will common x power 7. Remaining we have to write x power 4 minus 1. Here we have to multiply x power 7 plus 4 is 11. We'll write 1 into x power 7 is x power 7. After we'll write plus 1 into x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Here the common factor is x power 4 minus 1 into remaining we have to write x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. That I will take case 1 is nothing but x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. After we'll take case 2 is nothing but x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0 will take. That means x power 4 is equal to 1 will write. That is x is equal to 1 whole power 1 by 4 will take. 1 whole power 1 by 4 will take. 1 we have to write. First one we have to write. What about the value of 1? 1 is nothing but cos 0 degrees plus I sin 0 degrees will write. That is 1 is nothing but CAS of 0 degrees will write. That is x is equal to 1 power 1 by 4, where 1 is nothing but CAS of 0. That is CAS of 0 degrees whole power 1 by 4 will write. Okay, given one can compare with z power 1 by n is nothing but r power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta by n, where given k is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1 will write. This is the given formula. This is the given formula. Here we have to write in this one x is nothing but there is no r. There is no r means we will take 1 whole power 1 by 4 into CAS of remaining we have to write 2k pi plus where theta is nothing but 0 by what about the value of n here where n is 4. N is 4 means n minus 1 will take 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 will take. Here we have to write x is equal to 1 power 1 by 4 is 1. Remaining we have to write CAS of 2k pi by 4 into where k is nothing but 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3 will write 2 1 2 2. Remaining will write x is equal to CAS of k pi by 2 where k is 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3 will write where k is equal to 0, 0 by any value is 0 will write x is equal to CAS of 0. After we'll take k is equal to 1 that I will write CAS of pi by 2. K is equal to 2 that I will write CAS of pi. K is equal to 3 that I will write CAS of 3 pi by 2 will write. Again we'll take this one that I will write x power 7 is equal to minus 1. What about the value of minus 1 here? Minus 1 is nothing but cos pi plus I sin pi will write. Minus 1 is nothing but CAS of pi will write. How would I expand in this one that I will write? X is nothing but minus 1 whole power 7. That is x is equal to CAS of pi whole power 7 in will write. What is the given formula? Z power 1 by n is equal to R power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta by n, where given k is nothing but 0, comma 1, comma 2, and so on n minus n, right? There is no r value means we'll take 1. That means 1 power 1 by n is nothing but 1 by 7. Remaining we have to write CAS of 2k pi plus where theta is nothing but pi will write where the given n value is 7. Remaining n is 7 means n minus 1 is nothing but 6 that I will write k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 6 will write. 1 power 1 by 7 is 1 by 7. Remaining we have to write CAS of 2k plus 1 into pi by their denominator is 7 will take. Here what about the value of k here? 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. First we will substitute k is equal to 0. 2 into 0 will become 0. That I will write CAS of pi by 7. K is equal to 1. 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That I will write CAS of 3 pi by 7. K is equal to 2. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. CAS of 5 pi by 7. After we'll take 3. That I will write CAS of 7 pi by 7. That is 7 and 7 will be cancelled. After we'll take next one is k is equal to 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. CAS of 9 pi by 7. After we'll take k is equal to 5. 5 to 10 plus 1 is 11. That I will write CAS of 11 pi by 7. Finally, we'll take k is equal to 6. 6 to 12 plus 1 is 13. CAS of 13 pi by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 7 plus 11 will become 11. That is, find all the roots of equation means that is the roots of x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, or what about the roots? CAS of 0, comma CAS of pi by 2, comma CAS pi, comma CAS 3 pi by 2, comma remaining we have to write CAS pi by 7, comma CAS 3 pi by 7, comma CAS 5 pi by 7, comma CAS 7 pi by 7 is nothing but pi. CAS of 9 pi by 7, comma CAS of 11 pi by 7, comma finally we'll take CAS of 13 pi by 7. These all are the roots of given equation. Okay, Nana. After now, I am going to third problem. Now I am going to example 3. What I am asking in example 3, if 1 comma omega square omega square are the cube roots of unity. Prove that the first one is 1 minus omega plus omega square plus 1 minus omega square plus omega, here also whole power 6, here also whole power 6 is equal to 128 is equal to 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7 will write. The second one is a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega is equal to a cube plus b cube. After we'll take the third one is x square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0, where x is equal to omega minus omega square minus 2 will take. What I am asking in this problem here, 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of unity, that I will write. 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of unity. 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of unity means first we will write the condition 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Here we will write 3 conditions where omega plus omega square equal to minus 1 will write, or also 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square will write, or also 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega will write. After now I am going to second one, that is omega cube is equal to 1 will write. This is the given condition here, but now I am going to first one. Here we'll take this one, that is LHS of 1 will take, that is nothing but 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega whole power 6. Okay, here given one we will write plus values first we will write, that means 1 plus omega square minus omega whole power 6 plus after we will write 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6 will write. You'll observe 1 plus omega square is nothing but minus omega will write, that is minus omega whole power 6, as well as 1 plus omega is nothing but minus omega square will write, minus omega square whole power 6, that I will write this one minus 2 omega whole power 6 plus minus 2 omega square whole power 6 will write, that is nothing but minus 2 power 6 will be common, remaining we have to write omega power 6 plus omega power 12. We will observe omega cube is equal to 1, we know. The multiples of omega cube is also 1. That means omega power 3 multiples 3 to 6, omega power 6 also 1, omega power 9 also 1, omega power 12 also 1, omega power 15 also 1, that is omega power 6. This is the multiple of omega cube. Omega power 12 also, when it is multiple of omega cube, that value is 1. Minus 2 power 6 is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That means 2 to 4, 4 to 6. 6 into 6 is nothing but 36. That means we'll write 36. What about the value of given one? We'll write 2 power 6 into 2. We'll write 2 power 6 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 8. 8 into 8 is nothing but 64 into this value is 1 plus 1. Will write 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 64 to 128 will write. This is make equation number 1. After we'll take LHS 2 will take. This is will take LHS 2 is nothing but what we have to write 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7. Here what we have to write plus values will write first 1 plus omega square minus omega whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7 will write. This is 1 plus omega. This is 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square will write minus omega. Minus omega minus omega is minus 2 omega whole power 7 plus. Here also will write minus 2 omega square whole power 7 will write. That means here minus 2 power 7. Minus 2 power 7 into remaining we have to write omega power 7 plus omega power 14. Minus 2 power 7 is nothing but minus 2 power 7 is nothing but what we have to write means minus 128 will write remaining. Omega power 7 that we have to write omega power 6 into omega. The multiples of omega cube into omega will write. Here also omega power 12 into omega square will write. The multiple of omega cube will be 1, that I will write minus 128 into omega plus omega square will write. Again by the problem, omega plus omega square is nothing but minus 1 will write. That means minus 128 into minus 1 is equal to 128 will write. This is make 1, this is make 2. What we have to write? From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what is the there? LHS 1 will write 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega whole power 6 is equal to, here will write 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7, both are equal to 128. This is the proof of first one. Okay, Nana. After now, I am going to second one. Like the second condition is omega cube is equal to 1. After now, I am going to second one. I will take the LHS of a second one, that I will write A plus B into remaining we have to write A omega plus B omega square into A omega square plus B omega will write. Here we will observe in this one. Here we have to write A plus B into A omega can multiplied by whole term, that I will write A square omega cube plus AB omega square. After we multiplied this one, that I will write AB omega power 4 plus B square omega cube will write. That is nothing but A plus B into A square into omega cube is equal to 1 will write. In these two terms, I will common AB. Remaining we have to write omega square plus omega power 4. Omega square plus omega power 4. Again, we will take omega cube is equal to 1 will write. We will observe in this one. Omega square plus omega power 4 equal to omega square plus omega power 4, that I have to write as omega into omega cube. Omega into omega cube is omega power 4. Omega cube is 1 will write, that is omega square plus omega will write. Omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1. So I have to substitute in this one, that I will write A plus B into A square plus into minus will become minus AB plus B square will write. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square is nothing but A cube plus B cube. This is the value of RHS. This is the proof of second one. After now I am going to third one. What I am asking in third one? If x is equal to omega minus omega square minus 2, then prove this condition. First, what is the given condition? X is equal to omega minus omega square minus 2 will write. Minus 2 becomes this side, that I will write x plus 2 equal to omega minus omega square, squaring on both sides, that I will write x plus 2 whole square is equal to omega minus omega square whole square will write, that is x square plus 4x is equal to, we have to expand in this one, omega square plus omega power 4 minus 2 omega cube will write, that is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to omega square plus omega power 4 is nothing but omega minus, okay, omega cube is 1, 2 into omega cube is 2. Again we know that omega plus omega square is nothing but minus 1 will write. Omega plus omega square is minus 1 will write. Okay, this we have to write x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 will become this side, that I will write x square plus 4x plus 7 will become 0. Okay, Nana. After now I am going to example 4. What I am asking in example 4 here, after now I am going to example 4. What I am asking in example 4, if alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation, the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, Then prove that alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus alpha inverse beta inverse is equal to 0. What is giving in this problem? If alpha comma beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, first I will write. Given that alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. First I have to find out the roots of given equation, that I will write. 1 into x square plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Given one can compare with x square plus dx plus c is equal to 0. I will take one condition, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 3. I will take b is 1, a is 1, c is 1, that I will write. Minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 by 2 into 1 will write x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of I square into 3 by 2 will write, that I will write minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. How to write in this one? Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 comma minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 will write, that is x is equal to, this is omega square. One root will take alpha, this is alpha, another root will take beta, this is beta. I will take the value of LHS. We will prove their RHS. LHS is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus alpha power minus 1, beta power minus 1 will write. Where alpha is nothing but omega power 4 plus omega square whole power 4 plus omega whole power minus 1 into omega square whole power minus 1. Omega power 4 is nothing but omega cube into omega. Omega power 8 is nothing but omega power 6 into omega square will write. Okay, this we have to write 1 by omega into 1 by omega square. Omega cube is nothing but 1. The multiple of omega cube is also 1, that I will write. Omega plus omega square plus 1 by omega cube. Omega plus omega square. One formula there, that is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Then that implies omega plus omega square is minus 1 will write. That is minus 1 plus 1 by omega cube is 1, that I will write. Minus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. This is the value of RH. Okay, after now I am going to their exercise problems. First now I am going to exercise 2B. Find all the values of first one is 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. Second one is minus I whole power 1 by 6. Third one is 1 plus I whole power 2 by 3. Fourth one is minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. Fifth one is minus 32 whole power 1 by 5. First, now I am going to first one. Already I will explain this model in here also. Minus I will take cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 will take. This is also homework. This is also homework. After now I am explaining third one. What I am asking in third one? 1 plus I whole power 2 by 3. Given one, 1 by n will form. Given one, it is of the form 2 by 3, that I will write. 1 plus I whole square whole power 1 by 3 will write, that is 1 plus I square plus 2I whole power 1 by 3 will write. I square is minus 1 will write, that is 1 minus 1 plus 2I whole power 1 by 3 will write. Both will be cancelled. This we have to write 3 into I power 1 by 3 will write. Will observe. What about the value of I here? There I is nothing but cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 will write. This way how to write CAS of pi by 2. How to extend in this one? That I will write 2 power 1 by 3 into, here I have to write CAS of pi by 2 whole power 1. Got one more formula, CAS of theta, that is Z. CAS of theta whole power n whole power 1 by n. CAS of theta is nothing but Z. Z power 1 by n is equal to R power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k is equal to 0, 1 to 1 so on n minus 1 will write. So I have to extend in this one, that I will write 3 into, there is no R value, that I will write 1 power 1 by 3 into, remaining we have to write CAS of 2k pi plus theta is nothing but pi by 2 by their denominator n is 3. N is 3. We will write there k value, that is k is nothing but k is equal to 0, 1, 2. Why? Because of n is 3, n minus 1 is 2 will nothing but 1 divided by 2 power 1 by 3 into remaining we have to write to do score. That we have to write 4k plus 1 into pi by the denominator 2, 3, 6. And k is nothing but 0, 1, 2 will write. First I will substitute k is equal to 0, then I will write 2 power 1 by 3 into CAS of pi by 6 will write. After we will take 2 power 1 by 3 into k is equal to 1 4 1 4 4 plus 1 will become 5. CAS of 5 by 6. After we will take 2 power 1 by 3 into CAS of 4 to 6, 8 plus 1 will become 9. CAS of 9 by 6 will write. These are the three conditions of given one. I will explain third one, and the fourth one also explain. Fifth one as well as same fourth one model, that is this will be homework. And I am asking in fourth one, that is minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. This will written as minus 1 into 16 whole power 1 by 4 will write. That is nothing but minus 1 whole power 1 by 4 into 16 whole power 1 by 4 will write. That is 16 whole power 1 by 4 means 2 power 4 1 whole power 1 by 4 into minus 1 whole power 1 by 4 will write. Both will be cancelled. We have to write 2 into the value of minus 1 right. That 1 is nothing but cos 0 plus I sin 0 minus 1 is nothing but cos pi plus I sin pi will write. This is nothing but CAS of pi. We write 2 into CAS of pi whole power 1 by n. So answer 1 by 4 will write. Given all infinities of the form z power 1 by 4 1 by n. This will write r power 1 by n into CAS of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 1, so n minus 1 will write. But that is 2 into, there is no r value, we have to write 1 into whole power 1 by 4 CAS of 2k pi plus theta is nothing but pi by n is 4. Again, we will take k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 will write. We'll observe in this one 2 into 1 power 1 by 4 is 1. Remaining we have to write. How to write in this one CAS of 2k plus 1 by 4 into pi. Answer 2k plus 1 into pi by 4 will write. Where k is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3. First I will substitute k is equal to 0, 2 into CAS of 0 into any value 0, the level write 5 by 4. After we take 2 into k is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. CAS of 3 by 4. After we take 2, that is nothing but 2 into CAS of 5 by 4. After we take 2 into CAS of 7 by 4. These are all the roots of given. Okay, students, see you next class. Tomorrow I will explain remaining problem in De Moivre's theorem. Okay, see you next class.